I would describe Wrangler as reports for the things that your reports don't give you, right? Like systems run reports. The data is never the right structure. It's never the right granularity. It's never merged the same way. When did you build that first iteration of Wrangler?
We didn't really build Wrangler until the last 2 years when it became called Wrangler and another developer here built it. The way we did it before was almost exclusively custom code.
What was the reason behind wanting to have something like Wrangler, even when it was in its more primitive custom code state?
There's just a lot of individualized needs that businesses want, and they want it now. They want it in as close to real time as possible. And the reporting cycle is too cumbersome,
Mm-hmm.
right? Different parts of the monthly close complete at different times. Some things happen all throughout the month, like billing and
Sure.
collections. We were pulling reporting both from their operating platform and also from QuickBooks and synthesizing that information in the same spreadsheet,
Yep.
updating that continuously throughout the day really, really moved the needle for them in terms of seeing how they were doing
Sure.
all day throughout the month. Data you used to have to export manually into a spreadsheet, you can now make automated grabs of. And synthesizing that information, the clients or our own internal accountants or our accountant customers for our
Yep.
SaaS products will know what to do with the data. But the key is refresh the data continuously. Don't have
Sure.
to go and grab it to do another cycle.
There's so many dashboarding apps out there, but their connection to QuickBooks misses something. Yeah, the pie chart looks good and the graph has a nice font and I like the color scheme, but it's not showing me what I want. I've lived through this. The one field in the report contains 5 different items that you really want. Then you're
Totally.
either doing text to columns or some crazy stuff
Right.
where we know that if we go around the back and reach our hand in, we can pull it out in whatever way, shape, or form that we want. Right.
Totally. Wrangler is a synthesis of the needs that we've seen across all of the many ongoing bookkeeping clients that we've served and the needs of our newer early access program. And we want to make those dials available and not the other ones. We don't want to overwhelm you with features.
Also, being able to give operations folks reports that are relevant to them, right? Hey, you should own this part of the P&L. You're responsible for the
Yep.
marketing budget.
Yep.
And here's the marketing P&L pulled from QuickBooks by class, department, location, class, whatever it needs to be. And you don't get to
Totally.
see anything else, but that data is available,
Right.
updated every day.
We call that a multi-delivery feature where one person who's in control can govern from a spreadsheet. It gives very granular control, but the controller is still very much in a spreadsheet, which is what
Yep.
accountants know and love. It's a great
Yep.
interface.